In this video, we're going to learn how to use the upper string method in Python to make all of the letters of a string uppercase. The first thing we'll do is create a test string. We'll have here string is equal to sum of the letters are lowercase. So in this string, we have some lowercase letters and some uppercase letters. We're going to use the upper method to make all of the letters in this string uppercase. Here we'll have new string is equal to string.upper. So the upper method is going to return a new string that's going to be exactly the same as this string here, except for any lowercase letters in the string will be turned into their uppercase equivalent. We could output the new string to see the effect. We'll have here print and then new string. And if we save our program and run it, we can see we get back the original string, except for all of the lowercase letters have been turned into uppercase letters. Notably, the method will have no effect on characters that are not lowercase letters. So for example, uppercase letters, punctuation marks, and digits. So this is how we can use the upper string method in Python to make all of the letters in a string uppercase. Check out portfoliocourses.com, where we'll help you build a portfolio that will impress employers.